Okay. Let me solve one question for you based upon application of multiplying factor in that. Let's say there's a town and the population of that town is 100. There are two cases now I'm giving you. One is in this there's an increase of 20% in the first year. There's an increase of 30% in the population in the second year, and then there's an increase of, let's say, 50% in the third year. So the question is, what is the percentage increase after 3 years? Let's say if I want to do it directly. So as I told you that an increase of 20% means a multiplying factor of 1.2. An increase of 30% directly means an increase of a multiplying factor of 1.3, and an increase of 50% means a multiplying factor of 1.5. Now, so your net population after 3 years will be 100 into 1.2 into 1.3 into 1.5. Now the challenge lies in solving it without using pen and paper. So if you start multiplying it, it will become very complicated. So what I'll advise you to do is, rather than multiplying it, convert them into a fractional part. So this will become 100 into, let's say, 12 by 10. This will become 13 by 10. And this can be written as 15 by 10, which is nothing but 3 by 2. So this is what you can write this. Now this cancels. So it becomes 12 by 2, 13, which is 156 into 3 by 2. If you solve this, this will come out to be 78 into 3, which will come out to be equal to 234. So if 100, which was my initial population, has become 234, that means there is an increase of 134%. So this is the direct method of, and this is the application of, first of all, converting a percentage into a multiplying factor, and then for solving it, converting it into a fractional part. Right? Let's say if my question would have been, my initial population is 100, for the first year it has decreased by 20, second year it has decreased by 30, and for the third year it has decreased by 50. Right? So what will be the population after 3 years? So the multiplying factor for a negative of 20% will be 100 minus 20 divided by 100, which is 0.8. For 30% it will be 0.7 or 0.7. And for 50% it will be 0.5. So in that case, the population after 3 years would be initial into 0.8 into 0.7 into 0.5. Now rather than again multiplying this, I have told you earlier also, please convert this into a fractional part. So this can be written as 8 by 10, which is 4 by 5. This is 7 by 10, and this is 1 by 2, or you write this as 5 by 10 only. Right? So this again cancels. This again cancels. 7 into 4 is 28. So if 100, which was my initial population, has become 28, then the decrease is of 72%. So this is the decrease in this case.